Hello, welcome back. This is Shirsho here with you, and today I'm going to show how to make a puzzle maze game on Scratch. So let's begin. I've opened Scratch. Now, first, I would like to upload the maze backdrop, which I've downloaded from Google. You can just search by maze and you'll get it. So, here it is. Yeah. Now convert this to vector. Increase its size. It comes on the full screen. Okay, now we'll keep a little bit of gap below this. After that, we'll form a line of black color over here. Over okay. Done. Now we'll give a red line over here. This will be our starting line. Sorry. Oh. Now just select this and sorry, and turn it a bit. Okay, and another green line. See, another green line. Another green line. So first let's do this. Yeah, the screen is perfect. Okay, so right over here, this will be our ending line. Done. Now select this whole thing just and put it in the center. See, it's all adjusted. Now you may increase the size a bit. But then we'll have to increase this. Okay, this is okay. Now delete this backdrop one. So now let's choose a sprite. Cat. This cat will be our controller. So this is the character which is going to go through the maze. Now, take the size like this that it fits everywhere in the maze. Bit of smaller. Yeah, it's in the center. Now let's go to code. Now, events. When flag is clicked, forever inside that drawer, if then, and now go to sensing. Key, bring this key up arrow. Okay. Now go to motion. Change Y by 3 degrees. Not 3, 4.5. Okay, 4.5. So, and duplicate this and put it here. Down arrow make this minus. Okay, now duplicate these two, put out these two. Instead of y, now bring x. Is the x here? Right. So let's do this to 4.5. Okay, so this will be our right arrow, and for the left arrow will duplicate this and put a minus over here. Okay, so let's see if it works. Yeah, if you press the up arrow, it's going. Yeah. Okay, so now we are back over here. Now the cat should face the opposite direction. So now flip horizontally. Okay, flip horizontally. Now the cat is facing towards this our finishing line. Okay, now duplicate this, put this here, put inside that if then, sensing touching color. So now if this touches this color, it should come back here. Okay, now before that it should come back here. Before starting it should come back in this position. So let's go to motion, go to when flag is clicked, go to x 209, y minus 139. So now if touching color, we need to extract this color from here. It's black color. Okay, if touching color this, go back. Okay, so we'll go back here and now duplicate this. If touching color, this is touching the finishing line, then make it broadcast a message named, we'll give it wait. You have won the game. Okay, so now we'll form another sprite. We'll paint this and go here to the text. I'll prefer black color. You may choose any color. Marker, you can take any font or any color. Now type you have won the game. Okay, click over here. Okay, so now just increase its size. Now copy this and paste this and change the color to white. So it will now put this one. Okay. Here this color, change it to a bit of gray. Right. So now select this hole, move it here. Okay, now put here 0, 0. Okay, so now it's in the center. Go to code. When flag is clicked, looks, hide, right. And oh sorry, I forgot to do here that code. After this, we'll give this show, and go to front layer. First go to front layer and then show. Okay. So when flag clicked, hide. Okay, now after this, here go to events. When I receive, you have won the game. Let's go. Yeah, show. Before showing, go to motion, go to X 0 Y 0 and looks. Go to front layer, then go to X0 Y0. After that, show. So let's see if it works. Yeah, it's coming back. So we have no problem with that code. Now, again come back. It's not still. Looks like it's not passing. Yeah, just passing, but it's a bit of tough. So now we are here. Here it goes. It came back. So now we'll go to cat, stop the script. Switch on the script, stop this touching color black script. So last week came over here. Okay, now we'll again switch on this script for the test. Sorry, again came back. Okay, again switch on the script. It's going. Let's see if this touching green script is working or not. Yeah, you see, you have won the game. Now we need to do one thing over here. No. Yeah. So when I receive, you have won the game. Go to controls and then stop other scripts in the sprite. Okay. And stop the script. Now it comes over here. After that, the arrow keys are not working. If you press them, it looks good. Thank you for watching my video. Like, subscribe and share. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe for more videos on this game. Comment. Thank you. Bye.